In this video I'm going to show you how to cast off, which basically means how to get rid of all your stitches at the end of your work. So when you've worked the required amount or your fabric is as long as you'd like, casting off is very similar to just working knit stitches, so it's nothing to be afraid of. You push your stitches up closer to the end of the needle as usual, and then we're going to just work 2 knit stitches, so through, around, pull it back to the front and off, through, around, to the front and off. But instead of continuing, once we've worked 2 stitches, we're going to pass the first stitch over the second. So to demonstrate, this left needle tip here, insert that through this first stitch. So you've got your left needle through the first stitch, only the first stitch, and pull this one up towards the end of the needle, up and over the second and off. So just take care that that second stitch does stay on the needle, and then repeat. So knit a stitch, through, around, back to the front and off. Then insert your left needle through that stitch, pull it up and over the most recent one on the needle. Do a few more. Through, around, to the front and off. Left needle tip through, pull it up and over. I'll continue to the end. So I've reached the end and I now just have 1 stitch on the needle. So I'm going to break this yarn. I don't have any scissors to hand, so I'm just going to snap it. So now we just have 1 tail left over. I'm going to pull this stitch on the needle a little looser, just so it's big enough that you could get your fingers through it. Pull it a little looser, then you can take the needle out. Okay, careful that this loop stays there. Poke your fingers through this loop, grab your yarn tail and pull it through, and then just tuck to tighten. This is known as fastening off, so now that can't come undone. You've got to make sure that you pull that final strand through the loop or it may all come unravelled. So there's your first piece with a neat cast off edge.